Hi folks, Duncan here again. So, when are your future tax returns due if you still have some old ones outstanding? Well, the answer is pretty simple. If you, as an individual taxpayer or any of your business or investment entities, have any tax returns still outstanding on the 30th of June, being of course the last day of the financial and tax year, then you or your entity's next tax return is due on 31 October and payment is generally due very soon after. So that means you will be hit with somewhat of a double whammy, assuming you are trying to do the right thing and finally get that late return lodged, say in July or August. You will of course have to pay the tax straight away, including likely late lodgement penalties and certainly interest on the late paid amounts. Then before you know it, your next tax return is due shortly after on 31 October and the tax due for that is also around the same time. So that is going to be tough to manage, and usually the reason people are lodging late in the first place is because they have gotten themselves into a bad place, probably spent all of their income and not kept some aside ready for their tax bill, and now they find themselves really under pressure. Of course, the ATO can also request lodgement of a document, including a tax return, earlier than the quoted due dates. And this can occur where there is a history of late or non-lodgement or a history of late or non-payment. It could also apply to future returns, so there could be ongoing consequences to letting one or more return drag out. So my advice is don't put your head in the sand, don't ignore your tax lodgement obligations, don't think it will just go away because it absolutely won't. Don't let it become a bigger problem than you think it might already be. Instead, get your affairs in order as soon as you can. I can assure you, you will sleep much better at night, even if you have tax to pay, which can usually be managed. Stealing a line from the hit series Billions, sometimes the worst thing happening isn't so bad. So getting that tax bill you had been putting off often isn't as bad as you think it might be, and it is a chance to start dealing with it rather than letting it grow, because it will. We've just released 2 groundbreaking new resources for smart, ambitious business owners and serious private investors. The first is our free downloadable report entitled The Business Owners and Investors Due Diligence Checklist. It provides you the 7 critical questions you must ask your accountant and advisor to ensure you have the right one to help you pay less tax, build genuine lasting wealth, and just stay out of trouble with the ATO. It also includes 9 wealth building strategies we believe most accountants never reveal to their clients because they don't know them themselves. The second is our complete guide entitled The Savvy Business Owners and Investors Guide to Choosing the Right Accountant and Advisor for Today's Economic Climate. It includes the due diligence checklist and the 9 wealth building strategies, plus a whole lot more educational information to help you make the right decision. We can send you the complete guide, including audio CD, for free via express post, so you can have it tomorrow. Just follow the links at the end of this video or below if watching on YouTube to access the free report or the free guide or both.